Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. And in today's video, you'll be looking at how we can use the and, the or, and the not in the where clause. So first thing first, you can see here that we have a new table with the name orders. So I'm going to drop a link to this data. I'll drop a link to this data, how I created the table in the description. So just check that out. I have a table here called orders. We have the order ID, it has the field, customer ID, order date, product quantity, unit price, total amount. So using the AND operator, and what is this operator used for? The AND operator is used when you want to filter out a record based on more than one condition. So if you have two conditions, don't forget how that we use the where clause to filter out some records from our data, from our table here, where age is equals to 30. Just have a single criteria. So what if you have more than one criteria and you want to filter out that record? So using this orders table, let's say I want to see the records of all the orders placed for product laptop and the total amount is greater than 1000. For this AND function, all records that will be returned must meet both criteria. Both criteria must be met for those records to pop up. So I'd say, okay, select all from orders where the product is equal to laptop. So don't forget, I said if you are typing in a text, wrap it around single quotation marks. So I would say where the laptop is, the product is laptop, and we have two conditions in this case. The total amount is greater than 1000. Now end my query. All records that is going to return must meet these two criteria. So let's run it and see. Execute, and we'll have that it return record of products laptop alone, as well as the total amount is greater than 1000. It will not return anything other than the records that meet these two given criteria. And one thing you should notice is that you can always use any of the standard comparison operator, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, you can use them here. So what if I want to see where the quantity as well? I would say and quantity, where quantity is greater than 1. So quantity is greater than 1. I'll end my query and I'll run this. So you can type in as many, you can use many and, as long as you have many criteria you want to work with. So here it returns just one record. You can see it here, one row based on the 3 criteria here. Any record is going to be returning must meet the 3 criteria. It will not return any record that does not meet the 3 criteria. For the OR operator, in this case, it will return record that meets any of the criteria. For AND, all criteria must be met for the record to return. For the OR operator, if any of the criteria is met, then it will return the record. So let's say I want to select from orders where the product is smartphone, or the amount is greater than 1000, or let's say greater than 500. And okay, let's do this first. So we have select all from the orders where the product is equal to smartphones. So it has to be exactly what you have, smartphone. So let's run this and see you are typing in the correct smartphone. So yeah, just it's in small letter, smartphone, or the total amount is greater than, let's say, 500. So someone is wondering, since this is showing in decimal point, can I also add decimal point? Of course you can. You still get the same result as when you just type it in without the decimal, the 0 after this decimal point. So let's execute this and see. So you can see here that it returned, even if smartphone was what we specified here for product. You can see we have laptop, you can see we have tablet, you can see we have gaming console here, and that is because they met this criteria for total amount that is greater than 500. So you see we have laptops greater than 500, gaming console greater than 500, the tablets greater than 500. So it returned that. This is what the or function. So you can type as many as possible. We have or where quantity is equal to 1. Then let's run this. Okay, so yeah, we didn't type this well. Quantity is equal to 1. So let's run this and see. So you can see. What about the not operator? The not operator is used if you don't want some certain records to be returned. You just return the opposite, the reverse. So I would say, okay, select. I don't want to see. Let's see all the data in that table. Execute. And I said, okay, I don't want to see product that is laptop. I don't want to see record of product that are laptop. I'll come here and say select all from others where not the product is equal to laptop. This is going to return a record that does not include laptop as a product. So let's end this query and run this all together. So you can see we have this all products here, seeing smartphone, tablet, and you can see you have 17 rows out of 20, and you won't find any record with the product name laptop. It would filter that out. So what if you have more than one criteria that you want to work with? Select all from others where the product is not laptop, as well as quantity greater than 2. So I'd come here and say where not product is equal to laptop, and so let's say quantity is greater than 2. So let's see what happens when we do this. So you can see here that it returned records of those that quantity is greater than 2 and excluded laptop. So this is how we do this using the or function, the and, as well as the not logical function in the where clause. I hope you've been able to pick one or two in this video. As usual, don't forget to practice, like and share and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. See you again in my next video. Bye.